Hello, A622 participants. I just wanted to give everyone a week 4 update. Can't believe it's Wednesday already. This week is flying by. I hope everyone is having a good week. I just wanted to point out some items that you should be focusing on in preparation for the upcoming assignment, which is due on February 19th, which is this upcoming Monday. If you'll notice, the link to turn that in is right here in the week 4 module, and that's the program plan part 1, program idea and context. I'll show you in just a minute where you can find the assignment details for this first part of your program plan. I did want to mention that in week 4 there is some information for you, just some information. You can read chapters 5 and 6. I believe it's chapter 5 that'll be a little bit more relevant, as chapter 6 goes a little bit more into the needs assessment process and program planning. We won't actually be doing a needs assessment for your program plan for this course, but you will be doing a needs assessment further on in the course when you start to design the instruction for your program. So to be successful this week, just make sure to read the chapters, review the resources that we have. You'll notice the PowerPoint for this week focuses on building support, because that's a big piece of your program plan part 1 that you'll be turning in on Monday. The other thing that you will be doing is participating in this week 4 discussion, so don't forget to get in there and post your information. I see Jenny and Whitney have gotten us started here. What this is a discussion focusing on how you plan to build support. This ties right into the assignment that's coming up due on Monday, so this will be really helpful for you to get some last-minute feedback from your classmates and possibly from me if you have questions on this aspect of the program plan and context. I also just want to take a quick look at the program plan assignment part 1, just to make sure I cover the details and show you what you need to do to be successful on that assignment. You'll notice here under the Course Assignments tab that the details of what you need to include for Program Plan Part 1 is right here. Follow these steps exactly, and you should do very well on the assignment. You should be looking at about 5 to 7 pages, and you'll be describing the idea and context for the program you wish to plan. So you'll be describing in general these things: the purpose of your program, who will sponsor the program, the content that your program will cover, the learners who will participate, the context for the program, which is also including key elements of the sponsoring organization's community, identify and describe the resources the sponsoring organizations will provide, the stakeholders, and the strategies for building support, which is what I mentioned that we've covered in this week's discussion. I suggest possibly considering having headings for your paper following these 7 items. You might only have a paragraph for some of them. Some of the items you might have a little bit more. All papers should be double-spaced in APA format. If you use any outside references, be sure to include a reference page. And if you have questions for me about the assignment, feel free to post those in our course questions discussion or send them to me by email. I hope everyone has a good rest of their week, and like I said, don't forget to participate in the week 4 discussion and to contact me if you have any questions or concerns. I look forward to reading about your program plan and giving you feedback on that assignment.